Welcome! Get the most out of your iPhone 16 with these quick tips and tricks. First, customize your home screen with widgets and icons to make it truly yours. Add widgets for quick access to your favorite apps and information. Next, use gestures to navigate your iPhone effortlessly. Swipe up to go home, swipe down for notifications, and pinch to zoom in on photos. And don't forget to take better photos with night mode for low light conditions and portrait mode for stunning, professional-looking shots. Experiment with different angles and lighting to capture the perfect moment. Use Siri shortcuts to automate tasks. Then scan documents with the Notes app. Finally, create custom notifications for important contacts. Alright, let's dive into some more handy tips for your iPhone 16. These tips will help you get the most out of your device and make your daily life a bit easier. First up, number 7. Use Face ID with a mask for easy unlocking. This feature is incredibly useful in today's world where masks are often required. No need to constantly pull down your mask to unlock your phone. It's super convenient, especially when you're out and about. Whether you're at the grocery store, on public transport, or just taking a walk. This feature ensures you can access your phone quickly and securely. Next, quickly switch between apps with the App Switcher. Simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to see all your open apps. This makes it easy to jump from one task to another without losing your place. It's a real time saver when you're multitasking. Whether you're responding to emails, checking social media, or browsing the web, the App Switcher helps you stay organized and efficient. And finally, charge your iPhone faster with a USB-C charger. This new charging method is not only faster but also more efficient, allowing you to get more done in less time. You'll be back to full power in no time. Whether you're in a rush or just need a quick top-up, the USB-C charger is a game changer. So make sure to take advantage of these tips to enhance your iPhone 16 experience. Now, moving on to tips 10 through 12. These tips will help you make the most out of your iPhone, enhancing both its functionality and your user experience. Number 10. Use the built-in level tool in the Compass app. This handy feature can be a game changer for those who love to take on DIY projects. It's great for those DIY projects at home. Whether you're hanging a picture frame, installing shelves, or doing any kind of home renovation, the level tool ensures precision and accuracy. Then, quickly access the camera with a home screen shortcut. This feature is incredibly useful for capturing those spontaneous moments. You'll never miss a moment. Just a quick tap on the camera icon, and you're ready to snap a photo or record a video instantly. And last but not least, get the most out of your battery with low power mode. This feature is essential when you're running low on battery and need to extend your phone's life. It's a lifesaver when you're running low on juice. By reducing background activity and lowering screen brightness, low power mode helps you stay connected longer. That's it. Try these tips and tricks to become an iPhone 16 Pro. Subscribe for more.